In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to work your ankle in 3 different planes of motion with calf raises or heel raises. So firstly, I've got a machine here and I've got a band wrapped around the machine. So I know firstly the band's not going to go anywhere. Make sure that you've got a fixed something that you put it on so it's not going to move at all. Now, when I put my ankle and foot into the band, what I want to do is I want to have enough resistance when I come out that I feel it wanting to pull me into whatever I've attached it to. If I have too much, it might be too difficult, so gradually come out with the foot further away when you do the repetitions and you get better. Of course, the whole point of these 3 planes of motion is going to strengthen up different parts of the ankle, great for ankle rehabs as well as ligament laxity and ligament strength. So firstly, you can hold on to the fixed resistance that you've got, or you can decide to do it without. So what we're going to do is we're going to come up into our heel raise, slowly back down, up into our heel raise, slowly back down. What we're trying to focus on is not allowing the ankle to collapse. So let's say, for example, I've got it in a really heavy resistance. I do the calf raise and my ankle's collapsing this way. That means it's too heavy on the resistance because I can't control it. You can do the same the other side. On the other side, we're going to come into calf raise, like so. And finally, we can also do it in a frontal position. So now I'm facing away from the machine I've attached the band onto, and I'm going to come straight up and back down. So that is how to start working your ankle in different planes of motion for ankle stability and ligament strength. And also as well, bear in mind that the resistance of the band you use directly correlates to how hard the exercise is, as well as how far your foot is from what you've attached it to.